Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm excited because it's a little bit different than my normal videos of what I do. Right now we are in, like, I guess you could say the guest room of my house. I normally use this as a filming space, like I'll make little sets and everything. As you guys noticed from my videos, I changed my background like every single video. My mom decided to officially just give me the room as a filming room. She told me, you know, I could empty it out, I could decorate it however I wanted to, and you know that makes me happy because I love to decorate. I thought I was gonna do this anyways, like redo the room, so might as well film it. I'm gonna take you along with me on the journey of just basically redoing this room. I've sort of emptied it out. There's like two things in here, so sorry if it's a little echoey. This whole room is empty, I'll show you. But we're just gonna, you know, furnish it, decorate it. I'll give you guys some tips on how I decorate stuff. Of course, we're gonna make this very aesthetically pleasing and a very beautiful room. We have two beautiful windows here, as you can see, which is really great lighting for videos. I'm gonna place the couch along this wall so that way when I film, I can just have great lighting from the windows. So yeah, I have like some of my lights right there. I'm gonna have all of my camera equipment, I think, go in this corner of the room. And then I'm probably gonna make like another cute little set over there. I think I'm gonna bring in like my gold dressing mirror. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm gonna do. We'll figure it out. First step that we need to do is obviously move all the furniture. I obviously don't have all the furniture in here. Like, I'm gonna bring some other stuff in. And I have this huge rug I'm gonna put down. It's just like a white furry rug I got from HomeGoods. Almost everything is from HomeGoods. I mean, I'll tell you guys afterwards. I'll give you like a little room tour when it's done, to let you know where everything is going to be from. But this is heavier than I thought it was. So this right here behind me, it's a magazine rack, and it's actually supposed to be up on the wall, but the thing is I change things around so much that I don't really want to like hang it on the wall with like nails, because I know I'm probably gonna like take it down eventually. Command strips are a girl's best friend, obviously, but I don't think they're gonna work in this situation. Okay, so I had to go get a snack. So my mom, bless her, my mom just gave me this. This was in her office. It's from IKEA. She said she didn't want it anymore. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but she gave me the idea that to put this over there and then have the magazine rack like in the back on top of it, because it is skinny, so I will still have room to like decorate and like put stuff up here, you know? One thing I take into consideration when I'm like figuring out where I'm gonna put my furniture is I like to have different levels of things. That doesn't make sense at all. Okay. See how like the couch is kind of like a middle flat level, and then you have like all the wall, like it goes up pretty high. But having something higher next to it, like having the different heights of like you have the plant, then you have the couch, then you have the taller, it looks more pleasing to the eye. It's kind of hard to like explain to you guys, but having like the height of different things, it looks really good together. Okay, I think that looks really stupid. You know, the concept was all right, but it just didn't pull through. It didn't work how I thought it was going to. I do like this though. I think this is cute. I just think I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so a little update. This thing over,
sorry, I was bringing this in.
Oh, it's okay. Just set it right there. Thank you, Bob the Builder. So, this little thing over here had me slumped. Slumped definitely isn't a word, but it had me so slumped that now I'm saying slumped. So I don't like that there, obviously. Like I said, like that looks really stupid, I know. So basically what we're gonna do, I have my big gold, like vintagey looking mirror. I'm gonna try putting that there, but we are gonna head on over to HomeGoods, which is my happy place. I'm so at home in HomeGoods. We put the rug down. I have this little kerfluffle here. It's like it's like white and like weedy. What is this called? It's woven. You learn something new every day. So yeah, it's like got a little, it's really cool, you know. I'm really liking this so far. We have the rug. Also, come back up here. Another thing that we're going to do is we're gonna like reupholster the couch, because right now I just have like white blankets on it. So we're actually just going to make it all clean. I don't want any like fur on there because I feel like it's too much fur with the fur rug and then tons of fur blankets on here. So this is the gold mirror that I have. I'm sure you've seen it in a background of my videos before. I've had it in a couple videos. So I did get this on Amazon. If I can find it again, I'll leave a link for it below for you guys, so if you want to get it too. But I have tons of pictures of these like on my We Heart It, which is my other, I don't know what number tip we're on, I haven't been counting. But another tip is have inspiration. I feel like the number one thing that helps me, especially when I get like I said, slumped on I don't know what to do. Having inspiration pictures definitely helps me a lot. So as you can see, I just put the clothing rack here. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep that there, but I think I might because I have nothing else to put there. So I just got like a little pile of clothes, very aesthetic color. I mean, those are the only colors I wear anyways. So I just sort of pick things that I think would go together. I think decorating a room with a clothing rack and just like your clothes, very cute. I love doing that. I'll always like my whole room, I have like my cutest shoes displayed on a shelf and like my bags are in my little, I love decorating with clothes. I guess it's just because I like fashion, so I like my room to represent that. So decorate with the things that you love. So I personally love having a clothing rack in my room. I brought this little striped dress because I want the stripes, the pin stripes, because they do have that very beachy vibe that I want to sort of represent through my room, because that's the vibe I'm going for. They also match really well with the pillow that I have on the couch. So I got this one. This one is from Lulu's. I wore this to Fashion Week for like their little Fashion Week event. I love this dress. Also, a quick tip for hanging up jeans: if you have hangers like this where you can't like fold it over the middle part, I put the hanger through the loops and then you can hang your jeans. I was so happy when I discovered that. There we go. I hung everything up. Honestly, this is like a cute little place to take OOTDs now. Okay, so here's for now, I think, the finished little touches of this corner of the room right when you walk in from the door. So now all we have left is this part of the room, which is kind of like the most important. So it is actually next day. What I did do is we put up the blinds for the windows. We also fixed the couch, so we have like a new fabric for it. And then I also got this. I have the magazine rack behind it, which I think I like that. I just obviously need to decorate it all. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna put, I have like my charger in here for my vlog camera. I'm gonna put some of my camera equipment in there. So far, I think this is looking really good. Obviously, I need to like decorate it and everything. I feel like the wall is kind of empty, like I do need something there. If this was a regular room, I would definitely put something on the wall because I feel like it needs something. But because it's a filming room, I'm thinking it's probably smartest just to leave the wall bare because, you know, for filming purposes, if I just need a plain white wall to shoot like an outfit or like to do like, you know, for like a beauty background, just like my makeup, just like a plain white wall, then I don't have to worry about like having stuff on the wall. Decorating is the best part. The furniture is fun, but that's like the more stressful part because there's literally so many things you can do. And then once you figure out the furniture, the decorating is the best part. And decorating, I feel like there's so many different things you can use. You can decorate with magazines, which is what I'm going to do in here. You can decorate with books. You can decorate with candles, with flowers. You can use like little pretty ring dishes and use like your accessories to decorate. You can decorate with perfume bottles. You can decorate with your own shoes and purses. You can decorate with literally everything. I have 50 million of these. This is just a plain marble tray that I got from HomeGoods. It was on sale for like $10. You can honestly even look for trays in the kitchen section. That's a good little life hack for you. So I have these little white pieces of coral that I got when I was in Costa Rica, and I just sort of put them there. All of my Vogue magazines tend to have very colorful sort of covers, so I'm probably gonna use one of these two to be like right in the front of all the magazines, just because these sort of go with the color scheme a little bit more. And then obviously for the product tray, I just grabbed some products. I might need some more, but I basically like to stack them like height-wise. So I grabbed some like taller bottles. I obviously have some medium-sized bottles and then smaller things to go in the front. Get more magazines, and then I'm going to try to find a really small vase because I don't want anything too big, just something like really skinny and small. So we'll see if I can find that. I was even just looking in the mirror here, and this is something really weird that I like to do, is when I'm redecorating my room, I'll look at the same place from different angles to make sure I like it from every angle. I don't know, but sometimes things look good from one specific angle and then they'll look bad in every other corner of the room. So I definitely like to walk around the room and look at things differently. I know that sounds weird, but trust me, it helps a lot. I saw like the back with like the magazine rack and the table, and I think it looks really, really pretty back there. So I just brought up this table and I think it looks beautiful. I think it looks so good. I brought this up from, you're probably like, where are you getting all this furniture from? I brought this up from my gaming room, which is in our basement. Yes, I have an aesthetically pleasing gaming room. Don't judge me. If you're a true OG Kelsey, Simone, Rosie Cheeks and Freckles fan, you would remember this table because like 2 years ago, I don't remember how long ago, but this used to be in my room. I bought it to go in my room. It is from IKEA. Okay, so you've probably seen this one. I've had in a couple of my video backgrounds. And then I have a little Joe Malone candle. This one still has its bow on it. I haven't used it yet. Should I put it in the middle? No, I'll keep it to the side. That looks better. Look how pretty that looks, even from this angle. So I did just drape this cream blanket here, and I think that that looks good. I do have this like ribbed white pillow. Honestly, I don't like the mismatched pillows. I think it looks kind of weird. So I might just do the blanket. I had this single little fake rose laying around, so I just decided to place that there. And then I'm just gonna keep these magazines like that because they will not stand up. They're too tall, and I just placed those bridal ones on their side. So we are officially finished. Well, not like officially finished. I will eventually probably keep looking for stuff to add into here. So I'll give you like a little full room tour. Once you walk in, we have our little fashion corner over here. My little poof is from HomeGoods. The mirror's from Amazon. This rack is from IKEA. The rug is also from HomeGoods. We have my camera area over here. I'll eventually bring my ring light and all the rest of the stuff in here. This couch, if anybody was wondering, is a really old IKEA model. They don't actually sell this little couch anymore. Magazine rack is from HomeGoods. This thing was really inexpensive. I only think it was like $12. And then all the magazines are just mine. I don't know what my obsession is with trays, but I love them so much. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me re-renovate / refurnish, decorate this room. I know I don't really do videos like this ever, like at all, but I think it's a really cool concept because I honestly love interior design, so I wanted to sort of mix that and bring it into my channel. If you want to see any more video ideas like this, let me know so that I'll know to do more. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to see more room videos. Make sure to follow me on my social media. I'll link it all down below so that you can stay updated with whatever I decide to do with this room, whether I change it. I always end up posting that sort of stuff on my story. Make sure to subscribe. I post 2 videos a week. I post every Tuesday and every Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.